Hey, good morning, YouTube. How are you doing today? I hope everybody is having a fabulous day. And we are still testing out my new mic to see if we can get it just right on everything and see if I get my sound coming in much better. Although it is weird not to see my face on the screen anywhere, but I am going to be showing you guys how to make a quick checklist in Canva and how to make it editable for other people as well. So, my other camera is upstairs, and not just being lazy, but for the sake of time, I want to go ahead and get this recorded while I'm in my prime recording time and not many people are home. So there you go. So everybody, it is Tuesday morning and May 17th. I hope everybody's having a great Tuesday morning. And so here we are on one of my favorite platforms that I spend a lot of time working in when I'm not actually working. But this is where I do all my creation pretty much here, and PowerPoint seem to be my go-to areas there. So I will go ahead and show you on this checklist here, to be very transparent, because I do like to be transparent. The only thing that I actually did was I went to templates, because Canva does say if you change it around enough, you can use their premium stuff, even when you have, especially if you have a premium license. But since I'm not a lawyer and I don't pretend to be one on YouTube, you should go and check out their rules and regulations for yourself. So let's see here. I had taken that one up here and changed it around a little bit, and then we can always add other things to it to stay within their rights and everything that they suggest there. But if we go to like my uploads and we search for leaf, I do have plenty of leaves I have uploaded. So it is summertime. Or not summer yet, but coming up on summer. It's a pretty color. It's not my favorite leaf, but it is just a leaf. So it doesn't have to be my favorite, huh? And I'll put that there. And so let's see if you have a checklist there. And then if you wanted to make your own, I'm not very good at making my own checklist, but we are going to come up here and just go, that is my favorite one, but we want it to be able to be readable. So if you do want to make your own, you can certainly do that. Just title it checklist. And you can increase the size. If you don't want it to be plain on the background, you can change it to whatever color suits your heart's desire. We'll just go with that, checklist. And we'll just call it to-do list. Just make sure it's centered. I think it pretty much is. We can just say position, center. Yep, it is. I like to title mine as soon as I start it off, but to show you from the very beginning too what you can do, you can come back here to say create a design. You can do sizes. You can do 8.5 by 11. Boom, there you go. If you want to use the first one that I did, just say checklist here. Take away their leaves. And then I change the font to Clicker. That is like one of my favorite fonts. I think it's just pretty. It just is. Now the only thing I don't like, you can just ungroup it if you want to make it easy for your next one. That makes it very easy for my next one. And the reason being, if you want to just take parts of it. Hey, I forget that you actually have to lock that in place to do that. So I was just going to come up here, grab that. And then, oh yeah, because it's white. So if you want to make it pink, you can do that. That way you can see the little white box I made, or that I copied to make from them. And you can either make your lines on your own. See, it's just so much easier to use lines that they have made, though. Probably about a 2, I guess, maybe. Even when I did but anyway, you get the drift. You can do it like that, and then you can actually use, so this is already made, or if you wanted to make it yourself, you just come over here, do elements, do a box. The only thing about this kind of box is like on the outline. I know how to do the outline of the box in PowerPoint. I don't know. Maybe if you search elements or chat box, you do get all of these kinds of chat boxes. If you're making this for PLR or for other people to use, then I wouldn't use the Primo ones like that one, because of the fact that they can't download it. I know this because somebody came to me after I didn't realize that I did. I think that's kind of ugly, but let's see. You can change that color to black. Or you could have it like that. Other than that, to make a... That's the only thing, is I don't actually know how to make that box unless you do actually. Oh, that's how you make that box. Okay, good. I learned something. Hee. That's how you make that box. Go figure. Anyway, you can play around with it, make it different sizes, whatever you want to do with your little boxes, you can do that. We don't need a green box. We don't need one majorly different. Trying to make it about the same size. Or you can just go Control C, V, 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 V. And then you can come over here and align them all. What some people do is just like grab 2 of them, which is what I should have just done. You can group. Delete these other ones that I made. And so like that, you can also just make it a lot easier. Go Control C and V. Like that. You can come back over here and say group. Control C, V. And if you're happy with the way that all of that turned out, then you can keep on doing that. Or if you want to move that top one down, you can do it like that, and then say group, Control copy V for victory. And there you go, voila. 3 different ways that you do have that you can make a checklist, and then make that actually fillable. What you can do then after that is you can download, so click on share and download it as a PDF. That's how you can make your very own PLR, private label rights, if you want to, or if you want to do it for the personal rights use, you can do it either way. As far as making a lead magnet freebie, there you go. Checklist, and if I make something, I like to title it Made by Me. So checklist made by me, we'll minimize that. And what I was going to do is move that up. We can go to PDF Escape. freebies.com. And then you can go free online. I've actually got the desktop, but I just wanted to show you guys how it's done there. You can upload your PDF. And it's loading. And what you can do here is several different things. You can actually, sorry, I'm trying to get it all into the box for you guys to see. You can click over here for form field, and you can say, you can actually create your own checklist in here as well. I kind of forgot about that one. And then, sorry, you can come over here and, alright, so form field. Text paragraph, there we go. I was trying to remember, sorry guys. Been a minute since I've done this. You can do this, that. Actually, it didn't turn out too bad. I like it when my stuff turns out good, like I mean for it to. Doesn't always happen, as you can tell by that comment. So we're going to say download. And the way that I titled these, so it's different, I'll go download. I'll say fillable checklist. Fillable checklist made by me. And then if you wanted to, if you have your own website, you can go, of course, into your media kit and upload it there for people to be able to download. You can go over to Miller Lite and create, I'll probably show that to you guys next time, how to create those fun little sign-up boxes where people can download your freebie at. There's send out that you can use as well. And I'll go into all those different things in some upcoming videos to show you guys more how to do all of that. But that is how you can actually, if you do like I just did, adding green, it doesn't matter because people won't see it. Or if you need to delete it, you can just highlight it and delete. It's not deleting. You can also just make it incredibly tiny. So it really doesn't even matter, and it keeps doing that. So anyway, if you need to fill something out for somebody and they haven't sent you a fillable form, you can either come in here and do this, or you can actually just, okay, now my thing's gonna go goofy everywhere. Anywho, you can actually stop making squares everywhere, but it's not gonna stop. Click on text. And then you can type right into here wherever you need to. And I am done. Anyway, YouTube, I am at the end of this anyway, so we'll go ahead and wrap it up. But that is how you make a checklist fillable. And of course, people come in here and interrupt me. But anyway, that's how you do it. Have a wonderful Tuesday, people. Make it a great day. Somebody might need to see your smile more than you need to smile. So just remember that. See you around. Bye.